Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix unable to log into GeForce Experience. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services you just need to find NVIDIA display container LS service. Just double click on it. Startup type, set this to automatic, and if the service status is stopped then you just need to start the service and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and try login to GeForce Experience and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, go to search menu and type Chrome, click on open it. Now you just need to search NVIDIA login, select the first link. In here you just need to log into your account guys. Select the login option. Now you will get a verification to your Gmail guys. So you just need to go and verify it. To do this, open up Chrome. You just need to search Gmail, select the NVIDIA account mail and select verify email address. And now it's successfully verified. Now you just need to wait for this time and just close stuff here. Go back to Chrome and it's logged in guys. Now you can go to GeForce Experience and try to log in and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to right click on the date and time and select adjust date and time. You just need to turn on set time zone automatically and turn on set time automatically, and after that scroll down, select sync now and scroll down and select the language and region. Under region, next to country or region, click on this drop down and select your correct country. After that, just close stuff here. Now you can try to log in GeForce Experience and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type store, click on open it. In search you just need to type HOTSPOT shield SHIELD VPN, press enter. Select the hotspot shield VPN, select the install option. After getting installed, and you just need to select open it, select this arrow icon, select try basic, select decline offer, select the connect option, select got it. After getting connected, you can try login to GeForce Experience and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.